Good afternoon, my fellow traders. Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. But before I continue, I want to mention a very important thing because some of you might have purchased my course, are purchasing the courses, but you are not putting a right email address when you buy it. You can still get access to my course if you enter wrong email address, but the only thing is you won't able to get my emails, my trade alerts, the other information you get via email. You still get access to the reports here in the portal, student portal, but make sure you enter a right email. I have one student who just signed up, and if you have not received my email, my Discord invitation from last 2 days, please get in touch with me or with support at moneymarkers.net or just DM me on Instagram. The link of Instagram is right in my YouTube video's description, or just scroll down to my Money Markers page and you will see all the social links right here, and you'll just get in touch with me via these links. And also guys, I'm running a bigger sale of the year, and that's a premium plan, a lifetime plan. You're going to get these two plans totally free with my AI trading bot and a lot more which you're going to get this year with this plan. Totally free and one-time payment, not monthly. So let's jump on to the analysis of natural gas. Now, we are getting few setups, one intraday setup and one is a setup which I'm getting here on 4-hour time frame. Now, if you remember my last video, I've said that we might get a double top. We get a nice fall out of this big engulfer. That is why I've said we might be looking for a double top, which you see we have got this bearish pin bar. Now, that's a very shallow double top. I want to see a double top pattern like this to go short by keeping a stop loss above this pattern. Now that's itself lots of rejection and bearish signals like bearish engulfer, a bearish pin bar we are getting here. So we are still in the selling area. I'm still not looking to buy natural gas until I see a solid push down to 50 EMA and engulfing pattern above 50 EMA for me to go long. So for now I'm still bearish for natural gas, looking here on 4-hour time frame. If we get a pullback and double top, that would be a better entry. We still have a double top right here, shallow double top, and very risky, which I'm not personally taking. I always look for very clear condition. For me, that's my style of trading. I'm not very aggressive trader, but we are getting a nice divergence here as well in the RSI. Looking at that, I'm still expecting a push down out of natural gas. Now looking on 1-hour time frame, I'm not tested natural gas heavily, but we are getting ascending triangle pattern here as well. Looking at some touches here, we might get one more push up and few touches here before the price break above or below. Remember, we are now in the level of resistance. If the price broken down below, that's a solid confidence. The price will likely to push down from here for aggressive traders on 1-hour time frame. And also if we are broken above, in that case we have a trend continuation and price will likely to push up. Remember, if the price close above these highs, very important, if we are close above these highs, that signals the price is no longer bearish and we can see a possible continuation. So we'll see a breakout on 1 hour. That's an early signal we're going to get on 1 hour. If that happens, I'll be going short. Breakout with a solid candle is something I want to see. It is a discretionary style of trading, not something that has objective rule. You might be marking a breakout patterns like this, which is totally fine. You might have a breakout already, which is totally fine, but we can always adjust the trend lines looking at these connection 1A and 1A to connect to touch points 1A and 2 right A. That is something you can also connect accordingly. Similar here, we have a symmetrical triangle. Now, I want to mention a double top happened on 1-hour time frame. A very perfect example right here, and barely hit the target. And if you say, oh my, why it just pushed up just after hitting your target? No, it's a clear target. If you look here, an ATR above is 3.8 and 4 is the ATR. It's 4.4 plus 3 is around 7. If you round it off, 7 is the ATR and exactly it hit target. Now, again, similar asymmetrical triangle pattern, a breakout above or below can confirm the move early, a breakout, or on 4-hour, we are simply looking for a double top pattern. Similarly on EMX platform, we're getting some rejections, right-ins. That shows a lots of bearish pressure. Again, guys, on 1 hour, we are getting a breakout pattern. If we are broken down here as well, we can see a possible fall. And I'll be only looking to buy once we are solid close above these highs, this termination box. Once we are close with a solid body, in that case, I will be no longer looking to sell natural gas. For now, we are still bearish. Nice correction can come here. Breakout of the symmetrical triangle can come as well. So keep an eye with a solid condition. Same goes with Ovanda and same goes with MCX here as well. Next up, we have gold. Gold is pushing down and we have now broken down. I've taken this trade as well personally because we had a bearish engulfing pattern on 1 hour time frame. If you follow me, I've said that we had a breakout here, early breakout, pullback, retest with bearish engulfer, and I've taken this trade myself as well. Let me show you that in my real account. Right here, I've been doing lots of scalping here on gold these days, so I've just came out of this trade as well myself. A clear condition like the way I teach you and how nicely the conditions are forming. If you have taken the trade, that's perfectly fine. My student have taken the trade in my Discord group. If you're the member of my Discord group, so nicely pushed down, a breakout happened here as well. Now, I'm just bearish for gold. As mentioned, we had lots of rejection here. Bearish on gold for 1 hour as well. So I'm no longer looking to buy gold unless and until we are broken above 50 and 20 EMA. So I'll be only buying gold once we are above 50 and 20 EMA or once the price hit this little box. Now that's not a major support. That's just a previous anchor support, which is right here. Not something I'll be heavily relying on for my buy trades, but from this area, we can see a possible bounce, a quick scalp on 1 hour, maybe to go long. For now, I'll be looking to sell gold and keep on selling gold with my entry condition. And that will happen on 1 hour as well. Once we have broken below this low, I'll be looking for another pullback and bearish engulfer to go short. So condition happening on 1 hour, not on 4 hour as of yet, but on 4 hour, that's all. That signal already triggered right here and that already nicely pushed down. So we'll see how that goes. I'm expecting a further fall out of gold after the break of this triangle pattern as well. Next up we have silver. Now we need to be very careful for the gold trade. For silver, I'll be keep an eye here on silver. If I see a solid engulfer now within my termination zone, we have a completion of a right shoulder. All I want to see an entry pattern within my termination zone right here. So once we have a clear bullish engulfer, I'll be going long, and let's say we have an entry here. I'll keep a stop loss below the head and take profit. Max I'll go till this green box right and come out of this trade quickly. So we'll see how it goes. I'll be looking actively for my bullish engulfing pattern to go long by keeping a stop loss if there is a condition right here, and then I'll come out of my sell trades if we have a sell trades running on gold, because silver might push the gold higher as well. So keep an eye at this termination box and look for the bullish engulfing pattern within this termination box. Next up we have crude oil. Crude oil still ranging sideways, so no conditions yet till we are broken below this green box. I'm not bearish. Until we are broken above this termination box, we are not bullish. For now we are just ranging sideways. I'll still look for the double top from here to go short or bearish trade once we are broken below with a pullback and engulfing pattern to go short. So that is all I'm looking at on crude oil, nothing else. Wait with the patience, and once we have a conditions buy or sell, we are going short below this low, long above this high, short at the double top if we have a conditions right here. So that's it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If you have, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.